Jerryman, give me oil in my lamp. Gentle presence.
Welcome on board DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Please kindly give me a like, share and comment as you join. Let me know where you are watching from. God bless you. I'm here with original song produced right from the studio and also made available in all streaming platforms. We are currently on Worship Moment. Very soon we shall switch to Praises. Praises is on the way, don't go anywhere. The title for this one is Gentle Presence. Gentle Presence. Don't go anywhere. We shall soon switch to Praises. We are in a worship moment.
DJ Jerryman, let the guitar breathe slowly tonight. No rushing drums, just a quiet melody for a heart learning to rest. There were moments when the journey felt uncertain, steps I took without knowing where the road would turn. Questions filled my thoughts in the silence around me. Sometimes felt heavier than the answers I hoped to find. I searched for clarity, for signs that would explain why certain seasons linger so long. But in the middle of the waiting, between the quiet prayers and the slow passing days, something beautiful began to appear. Your presence, not loud, not demanding attention, just gentle, like the calm breath of morning before the world fully awakens. You were there when my strength felt small, there when hope seemed delicate, there when my heart wondered if the path ahead would change. Looking back now, I see how softly you were guiding me. The doors that opened when I least expected, the peace that arrived when my thoughts were restless, the courage that rose right when fear tried to take its place. None of those moments were chance. There were you. Your kindness moving quietly through chapters I did not understand yet. Your grace writing a story far beyond what I could imagine. So tonight I come simply, no hurry in my voice, no need to explain everything. Just gratitude rising gently from a heart learning to trust again through every doubt, every delay, every whispered prayer in the night. Your presence remains. And if your hand has carried me this far, then tomorrow feels different now, because the same God who walked beside me yesterday is already waiting in the morning light. So I rest tonight, Lord, not knowing every step ahead, but holding on to one quiet truth that never fades, no matter where the road leads. gentle presence stays. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp, give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil, give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil, give me oil, give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil, give me oil. DJ Jerryman, give me oil. DJ Jerryman, give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. DJ Jerryman, give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. 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 Give me oil in my lamp. 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 Give me oil in. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil in my lamp. Give me oil. Give me oil. Give me oil in my lamp.
Welcome on board. After this track now that I'm going to play, we shall be switching to praises. Please remain connected and kindly give me a like, share and comment, because that means a whole lot to me. God bless you for being there. And don't forget all these songs, all these I have a whole lot of albums that contain all these songs made available in all streaming platforms that you can actually access at your own convenient time. I have then a whole lot there that you can actually listen to, possibly use them on your platform as either social media platform or whichever platform you have. You are free to go ahead and make use of them. And I know visiting the platform for them, you will not be disappointed. Please do well to give me a like, share and comment. Let me know where you are watching from. Thank you for being there. My soul say yes. After this one, we shall be switching to have some praise session again.
My soul say yes, my soul say yes. My soul say yes. Oh, yes. My soul say yes. Na 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 na. My soul say yes. Oh no. DJ Jerryman, let the one drop roll. Let the bassline smile. Today we sing with open hearts. From the rising of the sun